Hello, my name is Doug. I'm using ProTools LE8, and I'm going to show you how to insert a synthesizer into a track on a recording. Here we have my recording, and we can hear that a little bit. And I'll shut that off. Now we're going to come up here to track, go new. We're going to select a stereo instrument track, and I should be able to create that. And now I can come here and select what kind of plug-in I want. I'm going to come down here to an instrument, and I'm going to use the Expand 2, and that is a stereo instrument, so it'll take a few seconds for that to load. Alright, and so now we have our Expand 2 loaded, and I'm going to come over here and here you can see our attack, decay, release, cutoff, envelope depth. And here I've just pressed a key on my MIDI keyboard. And so now let's go ahead and we're going to set this attack down to 0. Let's go on ahead and leave the decay where it is. I'm going to adjust the cutoff a little bit here, and we'll try this. So those are bright pads. Now I can come down here and select. Let's just try. Here we have hard leads. Okay, so we can go to Poly Synth, and we're going to select a saw stack. And now when I press the middle C, kind of see what that sounds like. We're going to increase the attack. Let's crank this cutoff all the way up, so now we can kind of see the difference on that. Our release is kind of slow, so I'm going to increase the release so that I get kind of an echo, so you can kind of hear what's going on with that. Envelope depth. That doesn't produce anything. So as I bring that envelope depth up, you can see it's kind of just on the edge of not even being there. So let's crank that all the way up. And now we get almost distorted where we're introducing those partials. Here's a fine tune. So you see this particular synthesizer engine actually is, I guess you could say, tunable. And I'm going to decrease the decay time here. Now of course I have a touch sensitive keyboard, so it's going to change some time slightly. So again, that's the Poly Synth. There, let's try an electric piano. I don't like this control on it. And so we're going to go over here and see what a. Now some of these are kind of already set up. Here's a saw sync piano. So here we'll increase that attack time. And we get a bowed sound. We'll decrease the decay. Adjust our cutoff frequency here a little bit. You can hear that cutting on through there. That brings it back towards more of a piano sound. So with this particular synth from DigiDesign, you can select kind of some preset things here, and then variations of those. And of course, if you don't like that sound, then you can go for these attack, decay, release, cutoff, and all of these other envelopes that will allow you to adjust the sound the way that you would like for it to sound. So that's Pro Tools LE8, and that's their Expand 2 synthesizer, and that's just one of several that they have included with it. So I hope you liked this little demo, and good luck with your studies.